We have our controls right here. This is nice. Hey, I got sent a recliner to do a box opening and a little review on to see what we think about it. So we're going to get this thing opened up and see what we have in the boxes, get it put together, and then we'll see what it looks like, and then I'll let you know how comfortable it is. So stick around. All right, we have, looks like a partner. Ooh, that feels soft, y'all. I just grabbed that up there. Man, that is soft. It says number 2 right there. We're going to move this right over here out of the way. This looks like an arm. Has an R on it. I'm assuming this is for the right, maybe? Funny how they put furniture like this nowadays. Maybe they always have, and we bought them at the store already put together. And the stores put it together for us. I don't know. Hey, look at there. There's a controller. See, does that one say an L on it? Sure does. We have a plug right there. Kick this box out the way. Slide it out of the way. So if we have our power cord here, put that right there. This is the heavy one here, y'all. We're gonna have to stand this one up. Maybe. See if we can get it to slide out. That's not working too well. Break this box down a little. There we go. This is the frame. That's why it was so heavy. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that pretty? I like that color. Kind of a light gray. Here's our instructions. Little red ribbon. Not real sure what that's connected to, but we'll find out in a moment. Let's put this thing down on the ground like it should be. There's our plug back there. Man, that's soft. Whew. I heard something. Oh, there we go. Allen wrench and a couple of screws. That's what the string was attached. We went fishing and we got screws. Not really going to match this one, but that's okay. Kind of show a little versatility. Oh, this is electric recliner chair, HRC 007. We should have a seat cushion. We should have a backrest, which we do. And we should have a left and a right arm, which we do. Power cord right here. We saw the 2 screws and the Allen wrench, so we should be in good shape. We slide them little arms on the sides on these little metal rails right there. And right there. So slide her on there. Okay, the buttons go on the right. This is our front. So you see, we have the rails here, and we will just slide them on these rails here. You're not going to be able to see real good anyway, but you get the gist. Just line it up and drop it down. Okay, look here, y'all. Let me show you something. There is a screw hole. There's an L bracket right there. We should line those up. And that is how it's going to stay attached. Let's get the other side and put on here. Might want to hold this cord up or put it up, bring it around that side so it won't get pinched in that little metal slide. It looks like it's lined up. And we're going to put the back on right there. Got rails right here and here. We'll slide down right there and right there. Be careful, don't let that pinch you, but you're going to have to, I had to pull this out just a smidgen. Really easy, but then it went. So that should pop into place. There we go. Okay, we will refer to our instructions just to make sure. We should be right here. Oh, we got to plug this plug in. Now this is going to have Velcro. It'll cover up this back part back here. Plug will go right in here. It's got a little notch on it right here. You're gonna line that up just like that. And then this, you'll just flip down to lock it into place. Just like that, so it don't come unplugged. Now we'll get our screws put in here on the sides. All right, got that put on there. We'll get the cord and we'll get it plugged in. Let's see what this was. Okay, this is just a little inverter, converter, whatever you want to call it. This will plug in to this. It's got one stem right there and the other side's kind of flat, so it's real obvious which way it goes into this one. And just like this one, it's got the little flip over. Just flip it down and lock it into place. And our power cord plugs in right here. Like that. Now let's get this thing over by a power outlet and see how well it reclines and how comfortable it is. Slides pretty easy. Okay, we have a little power light on here indicating we do have power. It's always a good thing. Okay, we have our controls right here. This is nice. It's not big and wide like that one, but that's a really big oversized one. But for the average person, this one should work just fine. So far, so good. See how far back it goes. Oh, that's pretty nice, y'all. Good night. I'm just joking. And I guess this other button is the, yep. So that's how far it'll go back. That's pretty nice. It's really soft. I like that. My feet can touch the ground. I like it. Something else I just thought about. I have a TV in here. I could work for a little bit, and I can just move right over here and watch TV for a little while. This is really nice. And kind of like it in here. Got a decision to make here. It looks good in the living room, in your office. If you have a large enough bedroom, you could put it in the bedroom. Very versatile. And it's not that heavy. It's pretty easy to move around. Not a big deal. I was going to measure this cord just so we will know how far you can go from your outlet to the chair. So let me measure that cord. All right, well, I'm going to go from the back of the chair. We're just going to see how far we can go here. Now this is going to be an estimate. Looks like it is going to be 6 foot. Pretty close. Maybe 6'1", give or take. And that's from the center of the chair though. From the edge of the chair, well, that would almost be the length of this cord itself. About 5 foot. You can go from the edge of your chair to about 5 foot to your wall plug there to get it plugged in. That's pretty good. Hey, if you'd like to be able to sit on one of these in your own house, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can go check it out over on the Amazon page. You can read more about it and pick out the color you want and get yours ordered today. And if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you wouldn't mind. I'd appreciate it. So I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching, y'all.